there.
We're about to get out kayak fishing on the beach. It's my first time. See how it goes.
Alright.
Ready to fish? This is the spot. Beautiful day. I got 4 nice fish in the back. Nothing like Vinny's though. Vinny's is huge.
Yeah, pears in the sunset, winding up snapper. Hold it up, honey. Way to go.
Yeah! Oh my god!
Oh, where? Oh, he dropped me.
Oh my god.
Go.
Just came in from kayak fishing, right on duck.
Right on duck and pull out this one. By the cameraman.
That's a good fish.
Vinny's fish, of course.
Good fish.
Full of fish.
That's it, what?
Full of snapper.
10-pound fish.
First kayaking trip. Success. And he's fat.
Looking like there's any beers.
Man, I've got fishies.
You got fishies.
Yeah, issues with fishing.
You got issues.
Yummy, Rossi.
He broke it.
And after a good night's kayak fishing,
And wrestling Uncle Rossi.
it all ends in tears. Because I got attacked by him.